In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Framer on Framer website. If you've published a site with Framer, you might see a small Made in Framer badge, usually in the corner or footer. It's there to credit the platform on free sites, and it shows visitors which tool powered the design. If you're aiming for a fully white-labeled look, the good news is that removing it is simple and automatic. There's nothing to design around or hide with code. Here's the key. The Made in Framer badge disappears when you either connect a custom domain to your site or upgrade the site to a paid subscription. You only need to do one of these for the badge to go away. Let's break down what each option means so you can choose the best path. Connecting a custom domain means using a domain you own, like your brand.com, instead of the default Framer subdomain. When your custom domain is successfully connected and your site is published on that domain, Framer automatically removes the badge. This is great if you were already planning to launch on your own domain and want a branded professional presentation from the start. Alternatively, if you want to keep using a Framer-provided subdomain but still remove the badge, upgrading that site to a paid plan will do it. A paid subscription unlocks additional features and removes the badge even without changing your domain setup. This option is ideal if you're not ready to configure DNS yet, but still want a clean, unbranded look. A couple of quick tips to make the transition smooth. After connecting a custom domain, give DNS changes time to propagate. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Once it's live, publish your site again and refresh in a private window to confirm the change. If you upgraded to a paid plan, republish the site to ensure everything updates and clear your browser cache if you still see the old badge. Viewing from a different device or network can also help verify that you're seeing the latest version. One important note, don't try to hide the badge with custom code or CSS on a free setup. Framer's system is designed to manage this automatically based on your plan and domain status, and attempting to bypass it can cause issues or violate terms. And that's it. Once you connect a custom domain or upgrade your site to a paid plan, the Made in Framer badge will automatically be removed, giving your website a polished, fully branded finish without any extra design work.